Okay, everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy bonds on TD Ameritrade's platform. So before I get into this video, hit the thumbs up. And if you've learned anything here, consider subscribing. But thanks so much for watching. Let's get right into it. So at the moment, bonds are very popular. And that's what made me make this video. We have a lot of people that follow the channel, a lot of people that are in our Discord that are interested in bonds because the stock market has been a nightmare this year. So with the rates, and the yields actually going up, they're looking way more attractive. Now, in this video, I'm not going to tell you to buy bonds. I'm not going to tell you which bonds to buy. I'm simply going to show you how you can do it for yourself because a lot of people don't know how to buy bonds. So this is on TD Ameritrade. What we're going to do on the homepage is come over to research and ideas. You're going to come down to where it says bonds and CDs. Click on advanced search. You click on advanced search, this page will come up. And then, so if you go to Bond Wizard here, find individual bonds and CDs, Bond Wizard, right? So select and continue, a regular individual or joint account. As far as the tax exempt things, there's not going to be much tax exempt. So just click on no, continue, and then you click when and how long you want your bonds to mature in. I'm looking at these short-term ones. Just, you can do whatever you want, but continue to the next step. Now, this is what I was talking about. Low quality, non-investment grade or better. And then you have triple B, you have A, double A, triple A is the highest quality. You choose based on your risk tolerance what you want. Usually the non-investment grade, they'll offer you a very high yield, but you're taking a lot of risk. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to unclick this box. All right, we don't want to allow the bond to be called or redeemed before maturity. All right, because your income flow will be disrupted, et cetera, et cetera. So uncheck that. And then what I'm going to look at, let's look at the treasuries and CDs. So we're going to click next, treasury bonds, CDs, governments. Let's just keep them all. Continue to next step. And they'll give you the top 5 by yield. So the ones that are yielding the highest, you'll get the top 5 there. You can look at more here. Top 5 CDs, Capital One, you can get, CD here, and that's yielding 4.3. And, we can just take a look at that also. Top 5 treasuries by yield right here. But you can see here, order quantity and available. That's a lot, 250 bonds. So let's click on view all of the results here. Now you can see the minimum is 5 here. So that's much better. So let's click on that. That matures in 2024. So not too far out, about 18 months from now, maybe a little bit more, 4.13%. Let's click on that one. All right, so five bonds here. It'll cost you $4,700. Now you can change this to whatever you want to buy. They have 6,240 left of these. So whatever you want to buy, you want to buy 100 bonds, you can calculate that. That'll be $94,000, and the yield to maturity until April of 2024 will be 4.18%. And all you do is you click the buy button. And that's how easy it is to buy these on TD Ameritrade. So like I said, you can do a whole bunch in here. The corporate, AAA, like I showed you, Harvard. You can choose your time frame. There's so many things that you can do here. Even CDs. You're interested in a CD, 1 to 3 years. Right here, you can see JP Morgan Chase. They have them, and go from there. So, it's really a lot. It's very simple to do. It's easy to buy. The thing is, you have to do your research. You got to do your research. You click on this stuff. You find what works best for you, your risk tolerance, how many years out you want to go. If you do decide to invest in corporate bonds, make sure you read about, which ones they are, because they do yield decently. You can see here, as you get to corporate A, they're yielding even more. So let's click on that one. Let's see. And then I'm going to look at the Moody's report on this. So you have Glaxo, SmithKline, you have Pepsi. So, there's a lot of companies, John Deere. You have a lot of companies here that, have these available for you. So clicking on Pepsi, you can see here yielding 3.18, and that's a year from now. So in 1 year, you can yield 3.18 on this. It's an A. So let's see, we'll click on the Moody's. A1, Pepsi credit profile, A1 stable, supported by its strong snack and food beverage franchise, et cetera, et cetera. All right, credit challenges, managing potential volatility, volume markets, blah, blah, blah. Ratings outlook, the stable outlook reflects our expectation that acquisitions will be successfully integrated in these growth-oriented additions. So, like I said, the world is your oyster. When it comes to bonds, whatever you want to do, just know that these corporate bonds, they're not backed by the government. So the Treasury yields are. They're government backed by the full faith and credit of the United States for whatever that is worth, but it is worth a lot. So that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, hit the thumbs up. I know it's a lot of information, but you got to do your own due diligence, find out what works for you, your time horizon, et cetera, et cetera. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you on the next one.